Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 8th standard on linear equation in one variable, part 2. In last video, you have seen what is a linear equation in one variable and how do we find the solution for it. Look at this example. X plus 5 is equal to 7. Here, just by looking at it, I can tell what will be the value of x. X has to be 2 because 2 plus 5, that will give you 7. On the other side also you have 7. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 2 is the solution for this linear equation. In today's video, we'll be learning two methods of solving the linear equation. One is the balancing method and the second one is the transposing method. In the balancing method, whatever we do to one side of the equal to sign must be done on the other side also. We have to add or subtract with the same number on both the sides without disturbing the balance to find the solution. Balancing method is also known as inverse operations method. If you take this example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 30. 2x plus 4 is on the left hand side and 30 is on the right hand side. Now if you remove 4 from here, 4 should also be removed from the right hand side so as to balance it. Let's try to understand it more better with an example. We will find the solution for the equation 2x plus 4 is equal to 30. The variable here is x. In order to find its value, I have to remove the 4 and 2 from this side, so only x remains here. In the step 1, inverse of plus 4 is minus 4, so we need to subtract 4 from both the sides so that the numbers and the variables come on the different sides without disturbing the balance. That is, 2x plus 4, which was already given, minus 4, this is what I have added to the left hand side, is equal to 30 minus 4. The minus 4 is to be subtracted here also. Now, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 2x remains here. 30 minus 4 will give you 26. This is the end of step 1. Now, in the step 2, you need to remove this 2, which is there with the x. To do so, I have to divide this 2x by 2. So that 2 get cancelled and only x remains. So I have divided the left hand side by 2. So we should also divide the right hand side by 2. 26 by 2 gives you 13. So x is equal to 13 is the solution of this equation. How do I know whether I am wrong or right? I can check this by substituting the value of x in the equation. The equation given was 2x plus 4 is equal to 30 and the value of x that I had got was 13. Now in the place of x I put 13. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 30. 2, that is x value, I have put it here, 13 plus 4 is equal to 30. Bracket means multiplication. So 13 2s are 26 plus 4 is equal to 30. 26 plus 4 gives you 30. 30 is on the other side also. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution is correct. Next, we will see the transposing method. In this method, we need to transpose or transfer the constant or variables from one side to another until we get the solution. When we transpose from one term to one side to another side, the sign gets changed. That is, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication will change to division and division will change to multiplication when you move from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side. Let's try to understand it with an example. We have to find the solution for 2z plus 10 is equal to 4. Finding the solution is nothing but finding the value of z. Remember, in the transposing method, we take the terms from one side to another side. Now, I'm going to take this 10 from the left hand side to right hand side. So, we transpose 10 from left hand side to right hand side so that all the constant come in the same side. When I take it from one side to another, plus 10 will change to minus 10. Look at this. 2z is equal to 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10 will give you minus 6. So you got 2z is equal to minus 6. In the second step, I have to remove this 2. That is, I have to transpose this 2 also to right hand side. But now when you transpose, 2 is multiplication here, which will be changed to division. So z will be equal to minus 6 divided by 2. From the left hand side, the multiplication, when it comes to right hand side, it becomes division. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, so z is equal to minus 3. So this is the solution for the equation. Let's try to understand one more example. The equation given is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. The variable here is y, which should be on one side. All other constant and coefficients we have to transport it to other side. So minus 8, I'll take it to the right hand side. But remember, when you take minus 8 from one side to another side, it has to be plus 8. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Remember, whatever is on the right hand side should be written first, and whatever you are transposing should be written later. So minus 8 will change to plus 8. 13 plus 8 will give you 21. You have 14y is equal to 21. But this 14, which was a multiplication on the left hand side, has come to the right hand side as division. That is, I am transposing 14 to right hand side as divided by 14. 21 and 14 goes in the table of 7. So 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Y is equal to 3 by 2 is the solution for this equation. One more example. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now, which is the variable here? P is the variable. What is the coefficient of P? 6. Now this constant 7, first I'll transpose it to right hand side. So 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. Look at this. Plus 17 has become minus 17. 9 minus 17 is minus 8. This multiplication of 6, which was in the left hand side, has been taken to the right hand side as division. So you have minus 8 by 6. In which table can we simplify this? Yes, we can simplify it with the table of 2. So 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Remember, there is a negative sign here. Don't forget to put it in your final answer. So P is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the solution for the equation 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Last example. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Here you can find some fractions, isn't it? Now, which is the variable? X is the variable. I want to take this constant 1 from the left hand side to right hand side. So this will change to minus 1 when it comes on the other side. So x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Now if you look at this carefully, this is a subtraction of fractions. Do you remember? For subtraction of fractions, we should have the same denominator. What is 1? It's nothing but 1 by 1. That is, denominator of this is also 1. So the LCM of 1 and 15 is 15 itself. So 7 by 15 This 1 has to be multiplied with 15. So you get 1 15s are 15. 7 minus 15 by 15, which is equal to x by 3. 7 minus 15 gives you minus 8. Denominator is same 15. This 3 which was in the denominator now has come as the multiplication to the right hand side. Look at this. Here it was x by 3. This 3 I have transported it to right hand side. This has become multiplication by 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are 15. So you have minus 8 by 5 here. Again, don't forget the negative sign. X is equal to minus 8 by 5, which is the solution for this equation. Hope you have understood these points clearly. Now, it's time for you to try what you have understood in your activity book. Solve the following linear equation using transposing method and balancing method. Try both. But transposing is actually a easier and a simpler method, but you should know both the methods so you can practice both here. In the exam you can solve it only with the transposing or whichever is convenient to you. First one, y plus 3 is equal to 12. Second one, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. And the third one, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.